This is from Body Restore. I've been using their products for quite a while. This one was sent to me, but I've been buying it on my own, giving it as gifts. It makes a great Mother's Day gift, birthday gift, just thinking of you gift. I'm about to get in my shower, but what I love about this company is that it's all American. It is natural essential oils. It has aromatherapy. This particular scent, Calm, is Dreamy Lavender. It's not tested on animals. And so you get this package. There's 15 tablets inside here. I'm gonna open up the package and show you. I find, even though it says to use 1 tablet per shower, that usually the tablet actually lasts me more than 1. Okay, I think this really does make your shower smell like a spa, which is why I love it so much. The trick is you need to put it in the right spot in the shower, so I'm gonna show you that. They're individually wrapped, and you're gonna put this in the shower, but you don't want the water just pouring on it because it will completely evaporate it. So I usually put it a little to the side of my faucet. So it's getting hit a little bit, the steam comes up, the scent comes out. So let me bring you inside my shower. I just took a really long steamy shower, and you can see there is still about half the tablet left over, so I can use this again next time. And this scent, Calm, really did smell so good. It smells just very lightly scented, but definitely smell the aromatherapy.